Hi kids, today we are going to continue with our exercise 11.1. So I am going to start from question number 13. Question number 13 says subtract the second polynomial from the first one. So I am doing the B1 for you. It says 6ab square minus 3 upon 2a square b. This is our first polynomial. The second is 2ab square minus 5 by 2a square b. So we have to subtract the second from the first. So it's 6ab square minus 3 by 2a square b. This is our first polynomial. From this we have to subtract the second one, 2ab square minus 5 by 2a square b bracket. Now we open the bracket, 6ab square minus 3 by 2a square b. Now minus and plus, we get a minus sign here, minus 2ab square, and minus it gives us a plus, plus 5 by 2a square b. So now we are going to solve all this. 6ab square, we are going to check the similar variables, 6ab square and 2ab square. So 6 minus 2 gives us 4 and ab square, and minus 3 by 2a square b plus 5 by 2a square b. So since the denominators are same, we can just directly solve it. So minus 3 and plus 5, so it will give us 2, and because for this one has a higher number, so we put a plus sign here. So it's going to give us 2 by 2 a square b. Then it's 4ab square plus 2 by 2 gives us 1, but we don't write 1, so we directly write it as a square b. So this is our final answer. Now we are going to do question number 13c part. It has two polynomials, so we have to subtract the second one from the first. So here it goes, 8x cube plus 2 by 3x square minus x plus 4. This is our first polynomial. From this we subtract the second one, which is 1 by 2x cube minus 5 by 3x square minus 7x plus 9. So 8x cube plus 2 by 3x square minus x plus 4 minus 1 by 2x cube, we are going to open the bracket, minus and minus gives us plus 5 by 3x square, again minus and minus gives us plus, plus 7x, minus and plus gives us minus, minus 9. Now we have 8x cube minus 1 by 2x cube plus 2 by 3x square plus 5 by 3x square minus x plus 7x plus 4 minus 9. We have taken all together the same variables. So now this we have to solve this 8 minus 1 by 2. This I am going to do in the rough work. It is 8 minus 1 by 2. So we take the LCM, which is 2, 16 minus 1, which is this 15 by 2. So we get here 15 by 2x cube plus 3 and 3, the denominator is same, so we can directly add. 2 plus 5 gives us 7, 7 by 3x square, then minus x and plus 7x. Minus and plus is minus, but 7 has a greater sign, so we put plus, and 7 minus 1 gives us 6, so it is 6x. Plus and minus, again it's minus, and 9 has a higher number, so we put minus here. 9 minus 4 gives us 5. So we have 15 by 2x cube plus 7 by 3x square plus 6x minus 5. This is our answer. Now we are going to do the next question, question number 14, which says simplify. I am doing the B part for you. The B part says 4mn square minus 2m square n plus 3m. This is our first polynomial, minus 5mn square plus 9m square n. This is our second polynomial, minus 4mn minus mn square minus 3m. This is our third polynomial. So now we are going to start doing this. So now first of all we have to open the bracket. So it's 4mn square minus 2m square n plus 3m. Now minus and plus gives us minus 5mn square, minus and plus again gives us a minus 9m square n, minus and plus minus 4mn, minus and minus gives us a plus mn square, minus and minus again gives us a plus 3m. So now we are going to take all the same variables on one side. So it's 4mn square, then we have 5mn square, minus 5mn square, then we have plus mn square. Now the next one is minus 2m square n. So another m square n is here, minus 9m square n. Now again we don't have any more here. So now we go on the third one. So it says plus 3m. So then again one more here, plus 3m. So now mn square we have already done, m square n we have done. Now this is only left here. So it's 4mn. We have done here, this is also here. So now we are going to solve this. 4mn square minus 5mn square and plus mn square. So 4 and 1, it's 5mn square minus 5mn square. Now minus 2 and minus 9. So minus and minus plus, but we always put a minus sign. 2 and 9 is 11. So 11m square n. Plus 3mn plus 3mn gives us plus 6mn and minus 4mn. So now this is 5mn square and this is minus 5. So we can just cancel it like this because one is positive, one is negative. So now we are left with 11 minus 11m square n plus 6m minus 4mn. So this is our final answer. Now we are going to do the C part of the same question, question number 14, which says simplify. The C part is first polynomial is 7a square b minus 3ab square minus the second polynomial is minus 1 by 4a square b plus 3ab square plus the third one is 3 by 4a square b plus 3ab square. So now we start. Now we're going to open the bracket first. 7a square b minus 3ab square minus and minus gives us a plus 1 by 4a square b minus and plus gives us a minus 3ab square again plus 3 by 4 a square b plus and plus gives us a plus 3ab square. Now we're going to do the similar variables at one side. 7a square b, then plus 1 by 4a square b, and then we have plus 3 by 4a square b. Now the next is minus 3ab square, then again here minus 3ab square, and then plus 3ab square. So now because there is one constant and two fractions, so we are going to solve this first. 7 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. This I am going to do in the rough work. 7 plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. So when we solve this, we get it 7 4s are 28 plus 1 plus 3. So it's going to be 28 and 1 29 and 3 is 32. 32 by 4. So we get it 4 1s are 4, 4 8s are 32. So we get an 8 here. So we can directly write 8a square b, and minus and minus gives us a plus, but we write it as minus, or you can directly do it like plus 3ab square and minus 3ab square. So you can just cancel it. So we are left with 1 minus 3ab square here. So our final answer is 8a square b minus 3ab square. Now we are doing the next question, which is question number 15. The question reads as, what should be added to first polynomial to get the second polynomial? So our first polynomial is minus 7a cubed plus 3a square minus a minus 8, and the second one is minus 15a cubed minus 5a square plus 7a minus 5. So you have to find out what should be added to the first polynomial so that we get our second polynomial. So to say in simple words, what should we add to 2 to get 3? So what we do is we subtract 3 minus 2, we get a 1. Similarly, we are going to do is we're going to subtract the first polynomial from the second polynomial. So it's like minus 15a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 5, this whole minus 7a cube plus 3a square minus a minus 8. So now we're going to simplify it. Minus 15a cube minus 5a square plus 7a minus 5, minus and minus plus 7a cube minus plus minus 3a square minus and minus plus a minus and minus plus 8, minus 15a cube plus 7a cube. We are going to take all the similar variables at one side. Minus 5a square minus 3a square plus 7a plus a minus 5 plus 8. So minus and plus is minus, so we have to subtract. 15 minus 7 gives us an 8, and 15 is a higher number, so we put a negative sign. A cube minus 5 and minus 3 will give us minus 8a square plus 7a plus a is plus 8a minus 5 and plus 8. Minus 8 minus 5 is 3, and because 8 is the higher one, so we put a plus 3. So our answer is minus 8a cube minus 8a square plus 8a and plus 3. Now we are going to do question number 18, which is the last question of this exercise. The question reads, find the remaining side of a triangle having perimeter 11x plus 24y, whose two sides are 7x minus y and 2x plus 13y. So we have to find out the third side. So we start with it. The perimeter of a triangle, the formula says side plus side plus side. Now we're going to substitute the values in this. So for perimeter, we are going to write 11x plus 24y equals to, the first side we have 7x minus y plus the second side is 2x plus 13y, and we have to find out the third side, so we can just take it as an a. Now we're going to solve this. 11x plus 24y is equal to 7x minus y, we are going to open the bracket, plus 2x plus 13y plus a. Now we're going to take the x and y variable terms to the left hand side. So it's 11x plus 24y. Now we're going to take this side, so the sign changes. It's minus 7x, minus y becomes plus y, plus 2x becomes minus 2x, plus 13y becomes minus 13y, and the a remains on the RHS, right hand side. So 11x and minus 7x and minus 2x. So 11x minus 7x minus 2x is minus 9x. We add 7 and 2 and we put the negative sign. Then we have 24y and y. So it's 25y minus 13y equals to a. 11x minus 9x gives us 2x, and plus and minus is minus, but we put the plus sign because 25 is higher. 25 minus 13 gives us 12. So 12y, which is equal to a. So 2x plus 12y, this is the value of a, which is our third side. So this is our final answer. So kids, if you find this video very helpful,